In today's video, we're gonna be unboxing one of the best rugged phone, guys. This is the new Power Armor 13 from Ulefone, guys. This phone is really special, and that's because this is one of the best rugged phone that has a lot of cool features on it. Here we have the baby, the Ulefone Power Armor 13. So let's open it to see what we have in the box and how it looks. Okay, wow, this phone is huge. Let's see what we have in the box, then we will take a look at the phone, okay? Okay, right here we have different user menu because that phone, like I said, has a lot of features, you know what I mean? So they are explaining everything on these papers. So we are also getting a screen protector. This one is the good one, the hard quality. So this one is good, guys. And this tool we can use it to remove the SIM card, or you know, to remove the SD card. Okay, now as you can see, we are getting here the power adapter. Let's see how many watts. This is the power adapter, guys. This one is supposed to be 33 watts. So we are also getting an adapter, basically from USB to Type-C. Okay, here we have the lightning cable. This is a Type-C charging cable, Type-C on both sides, guys. And right here, let's see, what is this? Okay, this is an adapter. So basically, if you don't have Type-C charger adapter, you can convert basically your lightning cable to USB and just use a USB adapter. You know what I mean? So this is really cool. Okay, now let's take a look at the phone, guys. Look, this phone is huge, yo. Wow, this phone look nice, though. Guys, this phone has an IPS LCD, 6.1 inches. Wow, that's a big screen right there. And the resolution 1080 by 2400. So that's a good resolution too, guys. Let's talk about the battery. This phone has a 13,200 mAh battery. Can you believe that? 13,200 mAh battery. It's a powerful battery. So that means with this phone, if the phone is fully charged, you can use this phone for 5 days in a row. It's just amazing. That's why I was saying at the beginning that this is one of the best rugged phone that I ever had, because it's unbelievable the capacity of this battery. Alright, guys, on the right side we are getting the volume up, volume down, power button and fingerprint sensor. On the other side we are getting the SIM card and SD card tray. Right here we have a custom button, and we are also getting a external expansion port. On the bottom we have the earphone jack and the Type-C charging port. And on the top we are getting the infrared distance measure. Guys, we are also getting infrared, so I told you this phone is another level. We are also getting more cool features, guys, like for example, this phone is compatible with wireless charger. Plus, we are getting a 4 LED flash. This phone on the dark, if you turn on the flash, you're gonna see everything like never before. This little hole right here is a noise cancelling mic. This one is a battle sector, and this one, the one on the bottom, is a pressure relief hole. And the speaker, that's the main speaker right there. It already has the Android 11 installed and the chipset MediaTek Helio G95, the CPU octal core, and the GPU Mali G76MC4. So we are also getting, guys, 256GB internal storage plus 8GB of RAM. That is really good. So if you want this phone to play game or just basically do stuff that require a lot from any phone, this phone is amazing for that, because this capacity is honestly really good. Now let's talk about the camera, guys. We are getting a 48MP main camera wide, second camera ultra wide 8MP, the macro camera 2MP, and the depth camera 2MP. So we are definitely getting a good system camera on this device. And that's not all, guys. You can record video at 4K at 30 frames per second, or 110 30 frames per second. So that is just amazing. It's good, honestly. So we are also getting a 16 MP front camera. Let me show you one of the best settings we are getting on this phone. If we go to settings, then scroll down until you see this setting, intelligent assistant. Let's go ahead and click on that. Then as you can see, we are getting a lot of new features right here. So we have the fingerprint function. We have the flip to silence. Basically, if someone is calling you, you flip the phone and it'll be on silence right away. So we also have the smart answer, the anti-fake touch mode. I love that one. So we have the 3-finger screenshot. That is cool. 3-finger skate start split screen and the sensor calibration. Wow, this phone has a sensor calibration. Wow. Emergency rescue, quickly open camera, glove mode. Basically, if you are using gloves, sometimes when you press the screen, it doesn't respond. But if you have this setting, you basically turn on that setting and your phone touch will be more sensitive. Basically, it's gonna respond to anything if you are using gloves and you turn on that setting. So if you scroll down, we're also getting a wireless reverse charging. Okay, basically I turn on that setting. Now let me put my phone on top of that one to see if it's gonna start charging my phone, just like that. Look at this. Wow, this is another level, yo. Look at this. So I love this one. We also have the lift to wake. So if you have your phone on the table and you lift your phone, the screen is gonna turn on. Okay, we have the single hand mode. So as you can see, this phone is really big. So with that setting, you're gonna be able to put the screen smaller and you can use your phone with only one hand. The new message bright screen and the accessibility. This phone surprised me a lot, man. Honestly, this phone is just amazing. I love this phone so far. Guys, let me show you another setting that we are getting on this phone that is really cool. Let's go ahead and click on settings, then scroll all the way down until you see this one, dual speed. So if you turn on the setting, it helps boost to foreground app by restricting background apps. Basically, your phone is gonna be a lot faster because all the phones, guys, even though you are not using the app, those apps still run in the background using your phone capacity. But if you have that setting on your phone gonna close those apps from running in the background and you're gonna enjoy all your phone capacity when you're gonna do something on your phone. That is just amazing. I think all phones should have that setting. Now let's go to the main page, and I'm sure 100% guys that we still have more new cool features on this phone. And that's all for today, guys. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share this video, I will appreciate it, and see you next time.